Hi, it's Christina Joy Lovejoy here. My book is Extraordinary True Lives Experiences Book of Source Vibrations God Within. Inner Authentic Author Christina Joy Lovejoy, 24/7 Gratitudes. Now, I'll be speaking also in connection to that because I have a beautiful mind. This ESP of the Selva Jose Selva's Ultramind ESP. I just get the book. I don't even have to read the whole thing. It's already in here. The Selva method. It's been number one. Made a lot of millionaires on this one. Oh, when can be a millionaire then? It's coming up. Yes? Tapping the secrets of your mind for total self-mastery. Yes. Should be in this now. The psychocybernetics. That's a beautiful one. The Selva Mind Control Method. This is like how to study your subconscious mind. Like Dr. Bruce Lipton says, 95% is the subconscious mind, 5% is. You need to know how to be in the subconscious mind automatically, the good ones, okay? Not the one that's autopilot, because autopilot could always get you wrong. I got all of this when I was in America 2000, how to help others with mind control. Wow. I just open it and it's right there. Isn't that wonderful? 108 pages. On page 108. I got this one when I was in America June, July, August, and on my birthday, Michael, my younger brother, bought this one, the one that I choose like 6 or 8 books, and he paid all and delivered to my in San Bernardino. They're 1444, and the other books, he I have that the chicken soup left there in Sindangan because I gave it to my niece Jai Jai. But I don't think she's reading it. But that was a good one, you know. Um, Millions of copies sold on that one. This is learn much faster, remember more easily, develop and control your willpower, improve your physical and mental health, conquer the stresses of life, solve any problems that you meet. That is me. That is already way before I was born. The Selva method. Isn't that wonderful? Using a simple step-by-step approach. This one is also carried by Mind Valley, the Selva, Mind Valley, Vishen Lakiani, the founder. And he studied this one. Now he has 100 million company of spiritual, all that guides and everything. He just started like 700 on a small room in New York, like in a small, working on a couch and a computer. And now he's a multi-millionaire guy with just all this studying. Probably I could be too, but I'm just kind of putting it out. I am just natural beauty of the mind. And because I'm speaking highly of the power of God's mind. So everything in this one, in the book of all this, all that, it's all God's mind dictating the loving insight. And my book, it's extraordinary True Life's Experiences, Book of Source Vibration, God Within. I speak highly of God. And there's one book that's coming in here that is the also a pre-paving journey. A pre-paving journey way back 2013, June, July. Wow. So alive within me. And that one, and then the 2015 where I lost my brother in the deep sea with no one, nothing you can see. That was a 14-day siege of looking for them, but nowhere to find. But that is a good one to make a movie in it, blockbuster. Everything is beautiful. I have been given a test from God. It's a beautiful one that I come out victorious because God is in me. That's why I'm victorious with Him. So everything is good and good. I have two or three, the magic path of intuition. No, I talk about this with my brother Nelson Fernandez. He got lost when he was like very young in elementary. And he came forward when I was really studying God, connect to myself, that path of intuition, way back 1982, 83, something like that. Okay, I even wrote a manuscript of that about him. How he just, out of nowhere, he just appeared in my front and then running towards me. And I can't imagine that miracle happened after miracle. So, and my trip to America, that 2016th of August 1st, so many happening, guys. I can't even tell you in one day, in 1 week. Maybe my whole life is all the graces of God. So, when you know me, I'm all in that grace of God. Everything is beautiful because God is in me. I'm speaking highly on Him because I recognize Him as the goodness and compassionate heart of who I am. I am not just going this and that like you like group of people, but we need to be united as one, nothing else. In this world we are one. We are one with the whole nation, the whole country, and the whole leaders around the world. We are all one. And this is Christina Joy, Love Joy speaking. Mwah.